likes it. If she didn't like it, she'd be flapping all around and trying to bite me and grab my finger and stuff like that. If she enjoys it, you'll see eventually she'll start putting her crest up. You see she kind of dives down into it. She didn't do it that time. Usually she dives down into it. She's letting go now, but she's a lot of fun. Her sister, Dee Dee, they sit on the same perch, but they don't act the same necessarily. Try again. Relax, relax. Don't play dead. Now he's dead. Now he's alive. Usually grabs him. Try one more time, Jaybird. Try one more time, Jaybird. Ready? Play dead. Now he's dead. Now he's alive. There you go. He also does a little disappearing trick, and I'm going to make him disappear basically, and I'm going to make a different bird reappear. So now you see him. Now you don't. Okay, we'll give him a second. Hopefully he'll slowly go where he needs to be. Alright, well he's back. It didn't take him long. So he reappeared, and so did this guy. This is Berry or Blueberry. This is a Western Pacific blue-rumped parrot or pocket parrot. These are the smallest parrots in the world. They don't get any smaller than this. They come in a pastel yellowish green and a blue. He would be mostly all baby blue, but he has some albino genes in him. That's why he has a little bit of grayish, kind of gray and white on him actually. Go back one. Which one do you want? This one? So the big one? Tiny? I'll go with green. Hey. I think we're going to change this around a little bit so it'll look more nice. Sorry. You want to move them? Yeah, I think we're probably going to move over that way where it's a little shaded. This one's panting. You don't usually pant like that. So. Hang on, let's move over here in the shade. Oh yeah. That's my favorite. He doesn't want his picture taken. She's always messing with it, always playing with the feathers. Put it over here. Oh. He did that for the wrong
Redden. Put him on your shoulder.
He likes hair. He loves to get up in your hair. He loves long hair. He's a little warm.
Like Bubby. Likes hair.
I love my ear.
Is that fun?
Yes. Are you all done crying? I did it too long.
Oh. Just gonna put them on. That'd be funny. Ah!
Three out of the four. I'll keep an eye.
Oh, yes, he's having my bed.
Oh my god, I can't believe he's doing that.